Oh, a big wolf? Let's go check it out.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's up? Hey, look. Say it again.
What's up, homie?
What's up, homie? Huh? Let's go look at it. Let's go look. Look at that big wolf. The Great Wolf Lodge.
It's a bear.
Look, they got a Build-A-Bear workshop. Yeah, we might have to do that. Yeah, Ben and Jerry's. You like Ben and Jerry's? Look, Dunkin' Donuts. You like Dunkin' Donuts? Look, they got an adventure park with Magic Quest, laser tags. You like laser tag? Look. Whoa, they've got a candy store. Oh my God, look at this, a candy store. Look, a bowling alley. Are we gonna bowl tonight? You wanna go bowling tonight?
Yes.
Look, they got, look. What do you think about this? Are we gonna ride on this? The harness station. Look at this.
What's the hardest thing?
Look, they got a big pizza shop. We'll get some pizzas. Look, do you wanna climb on this?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Maybe they'll let Daddy go. Daddy wants to go on that. Look, they got golf. What do you think? You wanna play golf with Daddy soon? What do you think? Pretty cool? Oh, you're gonna love it too.
Hang on.
Look, here's the pool.
Even climbing.
Wait, I don't know what that is. This is a little bit, I don't know. Look. They got Dippin' Dots. Little bar over here. And look at arcade. Look, bro.
I want to go to the arcade.
Are we gonna play arcade too?
Yeah, let's go to the arcade.
We gotta play mini golf. We got to do all this stuff.
Let's go to the arcade right now.
Hold on. Let's go check this out. Let's go check out this pool real quick. Look at this thing.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go look at it.
Let's go look at the pool.
You wanna go see it real quick? It's about to close. We're gonna have to check it out.
Batman.
Oh, you like Batman?
Even the Spider-Man's on it?
Look, Yoda.
I have Yoda glasses.
Yeah, you like Yoda? Let's go look at the pool real quick before it closes. They gotta close in just a minute. You wanna check it out? Hello. So we have wristbands. Go ahead. All right, cool. Come on, let's check it out. Oh, jeez. Go ahead. What do you think, dude? What does this look like?
This is like from a long time.
Look. Whoa. Check it out. Check it out. We forgot to put on our swimming suit. We didn't put on our swimsuit. Look though, we got cabanas over here. Look at this big water slide right here. We're going all the way up. Look. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, let's go. Look, a big pool. What do you think?